Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Have you ever seen one of these on the side of someone's house? They're called Downspout Leaf Guards, and they're designed to keep debris out of your downspout drain. But as you can see, just in a normal rain, the amount of water that is spilling out is tremendous. And where do you think all this water goes? As you've probably already guessed, all of this water ends up on your foundation wall and eventually down into your crawl space or your basement. And look what happens as it rains harder. Even more water is splashing out, going all over the ground right along your foundation wall. So once it stops raining, you can see all the debris that has built up inside the leaf guard. And now it starts to rain again. Look how much water is pouring out. And the harder it rains, the more water that pours out. The only way that you can open this up is to reach inside of here and clean out all the leaves. Of course, you might wait for it to stop raining, or you might not, depending on how much water is actually pouring down along your basement wall or in your crawl space. Leaves are pretty bad, but pine straw is the worst. Can you see that? A big wind just blew by and it knocked a big piece of the branch off. All that pine straw dropped directly down onto this leaf guard. And now look how much water pours out. It definitely stops the debris from getting down into your line, but look at how much water poured out of that and down along your basement or crawl space wall. Now you've got to come out here and pull all of this out. Sometimes it's really hard to get pine straw out of a grate, and that's what you're doing. Even after the rain, look how much water is backed up in the downspout, all because nothing could get down through the line. This leaf guard is such a waste of money. Your drain can handle this debris without any problem. It can flow all the way out to the street or to the pop-up without having this major problem of water pouring down along your foundation wall. Do not use this product. And it doesn't matter the manufacturer. This one's made by NDS, but you could order one online. There's a lot of people out there that sell these, but they all do the same thing. No matter what they tell you, really is a waste of money. So you might be asking, well, what do we do to stop the debris from getting down into our pipe? Let me show you a great alternative, and I'll even show it to you in a thunderstorm. If you're looking for a good, cheap alternative to keeping that debris out of your downspout drain, these are called snap-on screens. And this is during a thunderstorm. Take a look. You can see exactly how well these things work. You saw the roof was covered with pine straw. And look at that. It's clean as a whistle. Water drops through the screen, comes down, goes into the downspout, and is carried away. And there is no debris at all in your downspout drain. So how well do screens work? They work really good. Let's take a look at the discharge. Here's a short tutorial on how to install the snap-on gutter screen.
Remember, the secret is to lift up that shingle and then slide it under. And then snap it in place. Put it in, you make the measurement, the length of it, and it cuts with scissors. Not the easiest cut, but it does cut. Piece, and it might not fit right here because this is screwed down with flashing, but it should. Try to pick it up, slide it. This one's going to have to get a little trim right here. Make the measurement. Cut it. Just need to take off about 1 inch. Now it should maybe fit. Not quite. There we go. And then you snap them in place. Then we'll come back and put some screws in here to help.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.